in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the Liebherr Mobile Crane 110-ton crane. So welcome to the tutorial. Now I can see my joysticks right here. I am in the cabin and you can see the graphic visuals are wonderful. I can look through the window. There's some depth into it. It's really great. So using the right joystick, I'm gonna basically follow the guidance of the tutorial. Okay, so well done. Now move to the left lever to the left or right to rotate the crane. Okay. Complete it. So this teaches me how to use the joysticks that I can see here. Well done. Now use the right joystick by moving it forward or backward to raise or lower the hook. Fantastic. Well done. Now use the left joystick by moving it forward or backward to control the arm joystick. Okay, you can see the arm is moving over there. Fantastic. Perfect. Now that we have learned to pick, I need to pick up the load by positioning the hook where indicated. So here you can see the load right here. So I'm gonna take what I've learned. Okay, so first moving this up. No commentary needed. Okay, fantastic. And I need to move it right here. Right now I'm using the simulator at my desk, but you can use a more immersive cockpit like the one shown on the screen. Okay. It's really smooth, an enjoyable learning experience, I can tell you. The simulator is really well done. I'm feeling great in the headset actually. It's very soothing. There's, I would say, over 4 hours of training in that simulator. And I'll show you in a minute all the exercises. This is just a tutorial to get us started and to learn how to use it. And it turns to green when completed. This is fantastic. Once this is completed, we come back to the main menu. And here you see the different exercises that the trainees need to complete. There's going to be the tutorial that we just completed. There's going to be the rigger module where we learn about rigging. There's the other module about crane operation, the hoisting, and then there's a full complete cycle where you can spend literally hours learning about how to use the crane. So I'd be more than happy to show you the rest. If you're interested, let's meet and yeah, let's see where we can go next with this. Thank you for watching.